The criminal activities of Naimark Law Firm continued in 2019. Please feel free to pause and read. It was now Naimark Law's turn to complete its deception. Ryan Naimark and Courtney Madison, 2019 to 2022. October 2019 continued. Provided information to Naimark Law, right? Also queried about the examination for discovery that was cancelled August 16, 2019. Some of the many proofs of incorrect medical report provided by the Ministry of Health. So it's, again, I'm sending emails, I'm sending emails. It's my case, all right? To Ryan Naimark on October 28, 2019, 11:42. As you can see, I said, "Dear Mr. Naimark, please review the following attachment with the medical report provided by the Ministry of Health." And I sent the distorted medical document from Ministry of Health and medical documents, see dated medical report and all that. You know, please feel free to pause and read. Okay. Courtney responded because she was copied in, right? So Courtney responded on behalf of Ryan, and she stated, "Hi, Delane. I am happy to speak with Ryan on your question, and we can set a time for the two of you to speak. It would be helpful to send one email with your questions, and Ryan can review the file in advance of your call. Please don't feel the need to resend items we already have. You can just reference them in your questions to help for a concentrated review. To answer your question, yes, I believe the discovery that was supposed to occur this past summer is scheduled for 2020, given all lawyers' availability. Remember, I retained Benjamin Law in February 2019, and by August 16, 2019, the date was set for the discovery, right? Examination for discovery, long-term disability, right? I was inquiring about the cancelled, right, discovery of August 16. She only told me that it was rescheduled for 2020, but I did not receive anything to confirm that, a rescheduled date. All I received was the date for wrongful dismissal, which would be May 15, 2020. Nothing about the long-term disability, and this was October. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Okay, Courtney and I are still in email. We are emailing each other back and forth. So Courtney mentioned here, all right, from Courtney, I enlarged it, and she said on October 30th, 2019, and see Ryan and Samantha and Denise were copied, right? She said, "I will get you Ryan's opinion on signing the pension papers." Okay, she said, "I understand you are unhappy with the timing of the discovery. You are, I guess, your LTD, my long-term disability wrongful dismissal file, came to us this summer. I will check with my assistant to see if the defense lawyers had earlier dates. I am getting married in mid-February and then going on my honeymoon, so we can see about getting an earlier date for discovery, but it is likely I will not be able to attend the discovery with you." Okay. If you are agreeable, I will check with my assistants. I cannot go to discovery without my lawyer. Okay. Why did they take my cases, SAMFIRU TUMARKIN Law was doing their thing on the ball, and Benjamin Law was doing their thing on the ball, and here this lawyer took my cases and then telling me she's getting married and whatever. So why take my cases? So she have her domestic stuff dealing with, and I have to wait. I have to sit and wait. Why? Okay, why? All right. And here, I said here, provide information in Naimark Law, right? I think I responded. This was at 30th. Yes, I responded at 12:41 a.m. I responded to Courtney. All right. And I said here, "Thank you for your quick response. August 2019, I sent all my concerns and I've been awaiting a response. Most importantly, the question regarding my pension that was submitted in August 2019 with attachment was my main concern. I have exhausted all my funds, therefore I required legal advice. And I said, I have outlined my concerns in the body of the first email sent last night. Please also review the email sent on August 2019. An urgent response is required. To date, I am at a loss on the damages being sued in the courts for disability and wrongful dismissal. Therefore, please advise with explanation. Here I'm trying to tell this lawyer that I do not know what damages for the long-term disability and wrongful dismissal, okay? And then you can read, but I'm going to read the boldest section, right? I'm very disappointed in the date agreed for my discovery, which will be 2 years. Yeah, it will be 2 years because I was fired May 24, 2018. So I have to wait until May 15, 2020, which will be 2 years since I was terminated from my place of work. I had advised you at the time that I was at the stage of discovery for August 2019 with Benjamin Law, who was instrumental in obtaining a date in 6 months. I had trusted that it would have been revisited sooner than later with your firm, right? You can continue reading. Then I said here, whatever I said, what a system. I tried my best to stay healthy. Yes, this was when I had the car accident. Because all that I had was just an injury from bell mobility. I was healthy. All I had was just the injury from mobility, and they put me right back in the system because of the motor vehicle accident. So I'm explaining something to Courtney here, and I said, what a system. I try my best to stay healthy so as not to get involved again in the medical system here in Canada. Then what happened? 2 rear-ended car accidents in 1 month. I already knew the system and again would be placed on another roller coaster ride with the insurance company. Yeah. Feel free to pause and read if you wish. Thank you. November 2019. November 2019 was all about my pension. So we're trying to arrange a meeting and all that, right? So in the meantime here, I had, because of Courtney saying she's getting married and all that, and my information, my cases would have been delayed because of they're not having time for me, right? I messaged Ryan because I need answers regarding my pension. Okay? So here on the 7th of November 2019, I emailed Ryan Naimark and I said, good morning, Ryan. I hope that all is well. In July 2019, you came highly recommended by Marvlet to be my lawyer. When I came to your office, I thought your representatives were taking the information for you to review my case when you become available. It was never confirmed that Courtney would have been my lawyer since I came to your firm. Right? Came to your firm to be represented only by you, right? Here, see what I've highlighted here? Proof that I was coerced, right? In July 2019, I pleaded with Courtney that I had wished that my disability case remained with Benjamin Law since my discovery was in August 2019, but it was advised that all cases should be transferred to your firm. I was recently made aware that I would have to wait 10 months from the time I was retained by your firm. There are more emails to follow. All right. Yeah. So Courtney, I'm saying Ryan's supposed to be my lawyer. So why Courtney come in the midst now to say, oh, it cannot be done until May, right? And she has this to do and that to do. I needed this ASAP. All right. Please feel free to pause and read as you go along. Okay. Thank you. And as it goes along here, please feel free to read. It's in regards to my encounter with Naimark Law at the beginning there. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. And again, more information. Still, long text message, I tell you. Here, I highlighted for a reason. The insurance company and the medical system is another disappointment. I was already informed last year that they work together. Yeah. ADRIAN NICOLINI told my co-worker rose while I was sitting there, and I was telling him about the medical system and the mistreatment and all that, and my WSIB lawyer is going to tell my co-worker Rose, who came for consultation, that the medical system and the insurance work together. All right. Yeah, and it's obvious because of what I've experienced, right? Again, I'll read: the insurance company and the medical system is another disappointment. I was already informed since last year that they work together. Maybe I shouldn't have told the lawyer that. Oh my God. Hence the reason the medical system had opted out of examining me for my 2-car accident. See, I told the lawyer that I was not examined. This was now November, okay? Right? Opt out of examining me for my 2-car accident. So I would be without a medical record to prove injury. See, I'm telling Ryan Naimark, okay? Both my knees are now swollen, and still all my evidences. I guess I missed some information here. So, well, all my evidences. So please, I'm asking for your representation to recommend that as recommended by Marvlet. Thank you and have a great day. And then it says, Ryan Naimark responded, "Hi, I am your lawyer. However, I do not handle day-to-day matters. I have other lawyers that assist me with day-to-day matters. I generally attend the important steps: mediation, pre-trial, and trial." Okay. So Courtney. All right. So please feel free to review. Thank you. Okay. And there was an appointment made. Ryan Naimark stated here, "Can you come at 6 p.m. tomorrow? Not 4 p.m. at 141 Adelaide Street." That's where they're located. Okay. And I didn't drive. I actually took the subway in my pain, I tell you. Okay. I said, okay, I will. On the 23rd of November 2019, that was the meeting date. Supposed to be at 6 p.m. Right? I said, "Hi, Ryan." And this was at 5:53 p.m. Okay, as you can see. "Hi, Ryan. I am at the entrance, but the doors are locked. There is no one at the front desk at the moment." Okay, I'll tell you about this meeting. The meeting was not at 6 p.m., but was placed in a room to wait due to another meeting the lawyer was involved in. That's what he said. "I waited over an hour to be rushed due to a reservation." Dinner reservation, that is, dinner reservation the lawyer had. Meeting lasted about 50 minutes. I give them 50 minutes. Could be less. Okay, I just say 15 minutes. No resolution. Pension matter not resolved. Left documents. Okay, with lawyer. The copies I did with lawyer to advise. So it said, "Met with lawyer at his office on November 23rd, 2019. Meeting scheduled for 6 p.m. on the day. Lawyer told me that he was in another meeting. I waited over an hour." Okay, went through that. All right, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Naimark law firm ignored my pension concerns. Wow. There was a deadline to sign off on the pension, or else I would have lost out on opportunities. I had to sign the defrauded pension to secure it until age 65 years. I require my original pension value from Bear Mobility. I need that. I was employed prior to 2000, right? So because of I did not receive the assistance, the required assistance from Naimark law, I lost out. Well, I'm just hoping that I can recuperate it at some point in time. Yeah, Bear Mobility cheated me. Okay.